Welcome to the channel. If you're new here, welcome. And if you've been here before, I'm so glad to have you back. In today's world, one job may not be sufficient to meet all needs because of the economic crunch that's biting everyone so hard. Thankfully, there are so many side hustles and jobs that people can engage in to earn extra cash these days and thrive financially. If you are an INFP, doing just any side hustle may not suit you, because you prefer something meaningful that allows you to express yourself and offers value. I know this because I am an INFP myself, and I have scoured the web and searched for some side hustles that perfectly match INFP personalities and that they can enjoy doing. If you're an INFP looking for a side hustle, you want something that matches your natural strengths and doesn't drain your energy. 1. Freelance writing. Writing is perfect for INFPs because it allows them to readily express their thoughts and ideas. We all know that INFPs have a rich inner world where they create scenes and paint images of real and imaginary things. So, freelance writing is the perfect side hustle that gets their creative juices flowing. Suppose you are an INFP looking to go into freelance writing. In that case, it is best to start on a niche where you have personal experiences because you can share practical advice and offer valuable information. Writing in an area of interest will also spur your creativity and make you stand out from other writers. Another perk of being a freelance writer for INFPs is that it allows you to work alone. Most freelance writers work online and only communicate via social media channels. So, it's a perfect side hustle that any INFP can effectively combine with other jobs. 2. Online tutoring or teaching. Online tutoring is another area in which INFPs can thrive. As an INFP, you have a natural drive to help others grow and learn, and online tutoring is another side hustle that allows you to make a real difference in people's lives while earning money. Just like writing, teaching subjects you are good at will make you stand out from other teachers, as you can pour out your heart as you teach. You share tips and tricks and tackle the weaknesses of your students. 3. Graphic design and creative services. Graphic design can be a great side hustle if you have artistic skills. Since you have the natural drive to be creative, you can use your knowledge and graphical skills to develop ingenious designs. And since many small businesses need logos, social media graphics, flyers, and other visual materials, you will always be in business. You don't need expensive software to start. Free tools like Canva and GIMP can handle most basic design work, and as you improve, you can invest in professional software like Adobe Creative Suite. 4. Virtual assistant services. Many entrepreneurs and small business owners need help with daily tasks but can't afford full-time employees. Thankfully, virtual assistant services are new job roles that come to the rescue. You can help with email management, social media posting, research, and basic administrative work as a virtual assistant. This work offers numerous appeals because you do not have to be boxed down in regular office space. You can choose clients whose missions align with your values, so there would be no issues. Also, the work is usually done independently, which gives you a measure of control as you work. 5. Handmade crafts and art. If you are an INFP who loves hands-on work, handmade crafts can be another excellent side hustle. Selling handmade items can be both fulfilling and profitable. Because you make something beautiful and creative, sell it to those who appreciate your work and earn from it. Things like jewelry, pottery, knitted items, paintings, or any other craft you enjoy can be sold on platforms like Etsy, Amazon Handmade, and Facebook Marketplace. These platforms make it easy to reach customers. You can also sell at local craft fairs and farmers markets. Getting started. The best side hustle for you depends on your current skills and interests. Start with one that requires the least upfront investment and see how it goes. Building any side business takes time, so be patient with yourself. Since INFPs work best when they feel connected to their work's purpose, choosing a side hustle that aligns with your values spurs your creativity and makes you earn good pay. This way, your side hustle will feel less like extra work and more like a natural extension of who you are. Good luck!